Man, it's your boy, man, Trice Malone. I'm freestyling on the hoe. What do you mean? Don't doubt me, just crown me, nigga. Turn them frowns upside down, cause his pimp crown is being held down by a real player. Y'all is like, dig, man. Microphone slayer. Check it out. Hey. Fuck a bitch, your boy's trying to get paid. Fuck a snitch, cause they can get shot with AKs. Cause I'm lightheaded with a heavy gun in my hand. If I ain't got no bullets, I'll pistol whip a man. I can knock a nigga cold with just one blow. Cause when it's all on the line, this is my shit, ho. Cause I'm the nigga bitches love to spit game to. And the one who killed your mother and I are the same dude. I refuse to lose to those that hate me too. Cause ain't as hard as the one that you gon' pray to. So stay tuned, cause these niggas about to lose their Jews. These fools don't know I love to break the rules. My head is unscrewed, I'm so drunk off the booze. If I take one more shot, I don't know what I'ma do. But fuck it, I'ma take that shit to the head, then walk down the street and beat a nigga for his bread. What do you mean? Trice Malone. Fuck with me.